Today in this video I show you how to fix Instagram filters not showing. For this you can try the methods that I am going to show you in this video. First method is to restart your iPhone like this, and after restart check if your issue is fixed or not. Second method is to update your Instagram app. Open App Store, click on search icon, now tap on search bar and search Instagram. Open Instagram and check if Instagram has any update or not. If you find any update, then update your Instagram so that your problem will be fixed. Now the third method is to offload your app. Open Settings app and then you have to click on General Settings. Now open iPhone storage. Now scroll down to find Instagram. Open Instagram. Click on Offload app. Again click on Offload app. Now after offloading is done, you have to click on Reinstall app and then check if your filters problem is fixed or not. You can try this fourth method in which you have to update your software. Open Settings app and then click on General. Now you have to open Software Update. Now if you find any update, then update your software, and if you did not find any software update or these methods do not work for you, then you can try this last method, that is reset network settings. Open Settings app, click on General, scroll down, now click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset and then you can see this reset network settings. Click on it so that your problem will be fixed. So these are some methods that you can try to fix Instagram filters not showing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.